Hello everyone and welcome back to Amazon. Today we will be reviewing one of the best mid-range flagship phones, the OnePlus 10R. So let's explore its features. OnePlus 10R has an exclusively optimized MediaTek Dimensity processor, offering better graphics and gaming experience. It's an overall faster processor, guys, with a 1.5x Antutu score more than its predecessor. It is paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 250 GB internal storage. In terms of software, the smartphone has the latest Android 12 based OxygenOS 12.1, which gives you a smoother performance, faster touch response and easy customization. It is also faster compared to its earlier generations. With OnePlus's signature fast and smooth experience, OxygenOS 12 helps you focus on and seamlessly move between work, rest and play. A superpower of this phone is, guys, that it gets a day's charge in just 10 minutes with 150W SuperVOOC fast charging technology compared to the 65W warp charging technology. The 10R takes 1/3 of the time than its previous generation to fully charge. Additionally, the device has got the TUV Rhineland Safe Fast Charge certification, meaning the device and the charger have been tested to meet international quality standards. The OnePlus 10R comes in two beautiful color options, Sierra Black and Forest Green. And this Diwali, we have something special coming in. You can get your hands on an exclusive OnePlus 10R 5G Prime Blue Edition. Buyers will not only get an exclusive color variant, but they can also avail 3 months of Amazon Prime membership at no extra cost. Sounds like an amazing deal, doesn't it? The OnePlus 10R has a gigantic cooling chamber that ensures there is no overheating. Stay cool during heated gaming sessions with a hyper-boost gaming engine. The OnePlus 10R has a 50 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixel macro lens camera with a single LED flash, so you can get crystal clear shots with ease. Moving on to display, the OnePlus 10R features a 6.7-inch FHD plus AMOLED display that features rich and vivid colors and is more efficient than other displays. Its 10-bit color ensures superior brightness and higher color accuracy. Along with it, you get a 120Hz refresh rate for a seamless experience. The OnePlus 10R offers a dual nano SIM slot and promises excellent network connectivity. It also supports 16 bands of the 5G network. And finally, the phone is slim, the phone is stylish, and it is also aesthetically designed with enhanced fingerprint resistance. So, the question is, does this power-packed phone seem right for you? Well, we leave that for you to decide. From my end, I hope you found this video to be useful. Thank you so much.